Okay, we're going to take a look at a pretty nice Zippo today, but first we have an update on Binge TV. The first one is Covert Affairs, and this is season 2. It's a pretty good show. It's not great, but it's pretty good. And I also have Covert Affairs season 3. And another Binge series I bought is Honey West. Now this series started in 1965 and lasted, I think it was 3 seasons. So this is like 30 episodes. One of the cool things about this series, she drives a 1964 Shelby Cobra. It's a cool car, and this series is in black and white, even though the DVDs are nice and colorful. That's a good binge. And then the last one is The Girl from U.N.C.L.E. It's the complete series, but this is part 2. Looks like a Luger she's holding there. Now this ran from 1966, so it was right after Honey West, to 1967. And this is 29 episodes on 4 DVDs. I don't know if this is in color or not. I don't think it is, but it could be. And that was Stephanie Powers playing the character April Dancer. Now let's take a look at the Zippo. Today's Zippo. It comes in a double box with that nice protective sleeve. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. Now this is a special one because it is one of their, it's a luxury diamond design. It's a Zippo luxury series. So this one is, you can see right there, it's gold plated and is armor cut 360 degrees, multi-cut engraving. And right there it says it's the luxury Zippo. And you can see in the box, the presentation box, there are little mirrors on the right and left, so you can see both sides, or 2 sides, 3 sides at a time. It's a luxury Zippo. So this is really nice. And it is gold plated. It's got that red diamond insert. The whole thing is diamond cut, high polish on part of it. Looks like it was made in G of 18. Yeah, G of 18, and it's got the armor stamping right there on the bottom right. Now even the insert is gold plated. I'm not going to fire this one up. It's going into the collection. But one thing, the only thing that bothers me about this Zippo, it's supposed to be a Zippo luxury. And I'm going to show you one other. This is a Zippo luxury collectible of the year, the Golden Scroll. It also is gold plated in the Zippo luxury line. These two are both in my top 5 Zippos, I believe. But one thing that's different, if you see in the top left, it has the ZL for Zippo luxury, and the one on the left only has the month, the G for the month. All the rest of the stampings are really close, but it's supposed to have that ZL stamp right there if it's a Zippo luxury. So I'm not sure if this is a real one or not, but I'll find out, and it's going to go into my somewhere in my collection. So they are both nicely gold plated, and this one has a Has a serial number on it. And I'd say all that gold stuff needs some cowbell right away. Knuckle bump.